Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says find the number of points of non differentiability for the function this. Okay, so you have to find out the number of points in which function is non differentiable, and you have to consider the maximum function only from this is the first function, this is the second function. So, in this case, we will take help of the diagram. Okay, so first try to understand this part. So they have given you f of x. Suppose the first function is a of x. A of x is what? Mod x minus 1. So look at this thing, how I will draw the graph. I feel that there would be some p of x function which must look like this. And look at this, how I will extract this idea. Then what he did to make it more complicated, he has updated the problem by substituting. They have replaced x with mod x. And then to make it more complicated, they have applied one more mod on everything. Okay? So this is the idea of drawing this graph. Now look at this, how I will draw the graph. So I am talking to stage 1. So there would be coordinate axis. You should have a great command over drawing graphs. Okay, so in function chapter you just go and go with the graph lecture and transformation of graph. Now look at this, we have to draw graph of x minus 1. So suppose it is a straight line, so suppose that x is 0. So if x is 0, y will become minus 1, and if y is 0, x is 1. So this is the graph of y equal to x, correct? Now you guys have replaced x with mod x. Okay, so what will happen? You will erase negative x. Okay, you will erase negative x and then you will take image. So look at this, you will erase this part and now you will take image. So this is the thing, this is stage 2. Now what you did, you have applied mod on the function. So if you will apply mod on the function, what we have to do, you have to draw the lower graph below graph above. So this part will be drawn above, and then the low top part will be drawn here, and then you have to erase the negative y. So this is the graph of whole thing. Okay, this is the graph of first function. Now you know that, like who was this point? It was x equals to, sorry, y equals to 0. No, this is x is 0, sorry. If x is 0, so it is minus 1. So 0 comma minus 1. So if it is 0 comma minus 1, this thing would be what? This thing would be 0 comma 1. So this is the graph of first function. Let's draw. You should have good command over graph. Now, so at 1 we have to draw. This is minus 1 comma 0. This is 1 comma 0, and then you will have this part, correct? So this way you have drawn your graph. Now try to draw the graph of the next function. Next function is 1 by 2. Okay, so it was 0 comma 1, so 1 by 2 is here, correct? So this is your 1 by 2. Now look at this, what is the required graph? So you have break down everything into so many pieces. You know that you will consider the maximum. So in this room, look at this. You have already break down your function into so many pieces. Okay. So look at this. In first room, who is the maximum? This part is maximum. In second thing, this part is maximum. In third thing, this part is maximum. And this part is maximum. And then this part is maximum. And then this part. So you have to focus on the blue points. Means blue is the required graph. Okay. Now we are interested in finding what? The number of points at which function is non-differentiable. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the required point is 5. So there are 5 points at which given function is non-differentiable, because you have to focus on the sharp turn or break point or end point. At end point it will keep on going till infinity, so you need not to check there. So there are 5 points at which function is non-differentiable. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.